You see,
And then I
you're
have to-
having
I
these
have-
experiences to help you realize that it's okay, that you're provided for, that everything is gonna be fine. It's elements of doubts. The way I see it is on the base chakra. You're having doubts that it's like you've been shown that you're creator, and you're like, yes, I'm creator, but then, am I really the creator though? And you're sort of seeking validation from the outside that you are the creator and it's okay for you to be the creator. But you, even though I say that to you now, you are the creator. You are creating your own life. You are infinite love contained within itself, creating itself for the sake of exploration of love. But even though I say that, I just give you a seed because you gotta then look within yourself and see it within yourself. You can see it through me when I speak to you about it, but then you have to then find where within your body that is. Because you're perfect and you are loved as you are. And you are capable of being the creator. And it is very important that you do not doubt yourself. And this is where your connection with divinity becomes very important on this level, where you start tapping into those states that you're talking about. That's exactly the path of letting go of the ego self, so to speak. You surrender your will to the will of that which is divine. This is where your energy work will come in very, very important. Because the energy is allowing the absolute, allowing the divinity, the goddess, to channel its energy through you. But the moment you channel that energy through you, that energy changes you, that energy moves you, and it brings you closer to that energy, eventually uniting you with that energy, so you become it. We talked about it briefly. And so you gotta work with that energy, and as you work with the energy, surrender to it more and more, realizing that you gotta surrender yourself, you gotta surrender the body, the mind, the emotions, the heart, the essence, and the core, and the spirit, and it's a process. It's a very, very, very profound mystical process. This is where, at this point, this is where mystical experiences can spontaneously occur to you as you do your practices. Because you're getting so close with the divine that there's nothing for you to do other than give yourself over to the divine. Because you've done everything else already. And so as you start giving yourself over to the divine starts giving itself over to you. Because there's an interconnection. It's like the more you give yourself to the divine, the more divine gives yourself to you, because you're one and the same being. And only when you 100% surrender yourself to the divine, you realize that you are the divine. But that is a process of letting go, and sometimes we need to take baby steps, which is okay. But it is important to focus upon that connection with divinity at this point, I would say. Quick note, my friend. I do energy healing sessions, online teachings, one-to-one sessions, as well as workshops online. So if you're interested in any of the topics of spirituality and going beyond just the physicality, wanting to expand your awareness, click the link down in the description below, and I'll see you there. Blessings be upon you, my friend.